29th of September. And Jordan, where are we going?
Going out to Farm Depot, our local dealer that we are in contact with, and hoping to pick up another Smith wagon today.
Oh, we finally arrived. What did it take us, Jordan?
I don't know, 2 hours.
2 hours. A little over. So this is the place. They got fence and everything. You can see over there, they got one of the Meyer boxes that we run. That thing looks like it's built better than ours, though. Ours is really nice, though. They sell Challengers here, Fendt, Kubotas, Kloss choppers, Krone choppers. They don't really sell any other chopper than that, and they don't sell combines either here. But so here's the Smith wagon. Waiting for us to go hook it up, but we got the right drawbar on, but we gotta get the steering put on, so that's what we're gonna do. You ready? Pull it.
I don't know, I gotta get this pen out. Come back. Back more on my way, just okay, I'm through. I wouldn't put them all in. He's got to bolt something on there, I think.
Oh, in the middle?
Bringing it right now. It's coming. He's got to bolt that on there for your steering.
Okay. Oh, good. So the story behind the Smith wagon is a guy used it this fall. We wanted to buy one for the start of corn silage season, but they didn't have any in stock. So we got it all hooked up. Lights are working right. I like that, how they go like that for the 4 ways when you have the 4 ways on. I think it's steering all right. Go ahead and see if you can't go around. Looks like they're working right. And we are back. There's Cody waiting with the chopper. That is some lineup. Looks pretty cool. I just got done greasing the 4-wheel drive, so I think everything's ready to do corn. We're gonna start Monday. Today's Thursday, so we got 90 acres left. Should take us about a half a day. Hopefully everything goes well. It's non-tiled and it just rained out. You can see by the puddles, so we'll see how it goes. What is up, guys? It is maybe 4 or 5 days after the last video. Today is Monday and we've got the new concrete over there. We're at the heifer facility right now, so you can see all the heifers eating here. They're all happy. We're gonna put some more corn silage here, so that way we don't have to truck it from anywhere else. We can just have it here. If you guys watched my previous videos and you guys have been here since the beginning, you may or may not know that this used to be a junk pile right here from the people we bought it from. They just had like a line of junk, so it was maybe like, I don't know, 60 feet. You can actually see where we poured this spring, but we did all that pouring ourselves this spring, and then this fall we had someone else do this other slab because we didn't have time. So we got oatlage there, grass over there, and then some way back that I just brought, which is the cow's feed that they didn't eat the day before. We clean up every morning, and then we bring it over here for the heifers, so that way they can benefit from the minerals and stuff like that. So we already started this field before just to test the moisture, and it was way too wet. Oh man, Cody, if you're watching this, better buy me a pack of gum or something like that. Cleaning up your messes. No, Cody does a great job. So we're just heading back to where we left off last time. So a little bit of backstory on this field. We bought this field maybe, I want to say 3 years ago, and when we bought it like in the summertime. So it was too late to plant corn already. It was maybe like already August when we finally got it finalized and everything. And it came with the barns and stuff, but the barns, 2 of the barns were decent. They both needed work, and then the middle one we had actually tear down because it was all falling down. And then we built a brand new barn in between them barns and then connected them all. It's really nice having the heifers at one spot. When we used to have them at, I don't know, 3 or 4 different spots, and that's just not efficient, you know. you guys will see here towards the back of the field, we got some nice corn. The front's not super great. It's pretty sandy up front, but this soil back here is pretty good. So got some nice tall corn, decent corn. It's actually pretty nice back here. I'm pretty surprised at how good it is compared to how the front is. I flew the drone over a couple, maybe 3-4 weeks ago, but I didn't even notice that it was that good. For about, I don't know, 5 hours now maybe. Got quite a few loads in. We were supposed to have the second Smith running today, but 2 bolts were actually like, I don't know if it was 2 or 4 bolts were wrong on it. So this is what we got going on. Dad's got the pile looking pretty good. We can't put it too high because we feed with the skid steer here, so we can't make it super high, otherwise it'll be too dangerous getting it down. So we can only go to where the skid steer can reach all the way up. But it looks good, smells good. I'm gonna miss the smell of corn silage. We're almost done, so we won't finish tonight, we'll finish tomorrow. Sure does smell good. Good morning, everyone. This is day 3 already of this video. Last night we got the pile pretty much done. We just got, you know, like, I think it's like 35 acres left is all we have. And so last night it got dark out, so dad couldn't see to pack as good. So I packed it this morning, and they're working on getting the second Smith going. And then yeah, so hopefully we should be able to get some drone footage with the second Smith wagon running. Cody, you ready to chop?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. First load with the new wagon. Well, it's kind of a weird feeling. The last load of 22 corn silage that I dumped. They're filling one more load, and that's it. That's just got to push these 2 up, do a final pack over, and then we'll cover it. But that'll probably be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching.